In pharmaceutical manufacturing, and increasingly in animal research and public health laboratories, contamination control is no longer evaluated one step at a time. Under modern Annex 1 expectations, it's evaluated as something much bigger, a facility-wide, documented, repeatable system. And that shift changes everything. Because contamination risk doesn't exist in isolated rooms, it exists across transitions. As materials move from receiving to preparation, through material airlocks, into clean rooms, isolators, biosafety cabinets, and containment labs, every transition introduces variability. Most contamination control programs are designed around spaces like clean rooms, isolators, vivarium environments, and containment labs. But in reality, contamination is often introduced between those spaces. Every transfer changes the contamination control state. And those transition points are where processes vary, coverage becomes inconsistent, and documentation starts to break down. In other words, every transition introduces risk. Every transition requires control. Many facilities still approach biodecontamination as a series of separate tasks, but isolated processes often create gaps. Inconsistent execution between operators, uneven coverage across rooms and transfer zones, and fragmented data makes results difficult to trace. Even if each individual step is validated, the overall process may still lack consistency. And under Annex 1, consistency matters just as much as efficacy. To solve this, biodecontamination has to evolve from a standalone task into a connected system. That means repeatable cycles, designed coverage, integration with facility systems, and automatically captured data. At a practical level, this shifts biodecontamination from manual execution to engineered control. An integrated biodecontamination strategy doesn't require full automation everywhere. Instead, it creates a scalable framework that supports targeted biodecontamination in high-risk spaces, automated cycles for clean rooms and transfer areas, and integrated systems for isolators, BSCs, and containment environments. The goal is consistency, not maximum automation. Because effective contamination control depends on repeatable performance across the entire process, not just inside individual rooms. Achieving this level of control also depends on how biodecontamination is delivered. Hydrogen peroxide vapor systems must balance efficacy, material compatibility, cycle time, and safety. And coverage has to be intentional. Larger spaces may require engineered nozzle systems. Smaller enclosures may need targeted delivery. Isolators and BSCs may require integrated approaches. Because coverage isn't accidental, it has to be engineered. More facilities are realizing that contamination control can't rely on standalone tools alone. It requires a connected strategy, one that aligns spaces, equipment, transfer points, and data into a unified contamination control system. Not every facility needs full automation across every process. What matters is aligning your biodecontamination strategy with your risk profile, workflow, and operational realities. For some facilities, that means improving consistency in targeted applications. For others, it means integrating biodecontamination into transfer workflows, clean rooms, or containment spaces. The goal isn't uniformity. It's control, consistency, and confidence. CURIS Systems supports this transition with scalable biodecontamination strategies designed to connect the full process, from receiving to release. With engineered vapor delivery, repeatable automated cycles, and integration with facility systems, CURIS helps facilities apply the right level of contamination control where it matters most. Contamination control is no longer just about cleaning individual spaces. It's about controlling the entire process, because in modern regulated environments, the strength of your contamination control strategy depends on what happens between the steps, not just within them. Contact our team today about your facility's contamination control strategy.